How to fix the Roblox avatar not loading. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here's how you can troubleshoot a Roblox avatar that isn't loading. So often the problem is on Roblox end. If many people are reporting the same issue, it's likely a server problem and you'll need to wait for the Roblox to fix it. However, if the problem might be on your end, here are some things that you can try. You can try clearing your browser cookies and cache. For that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, that is between Help and Exit in the bottom. After that, tap on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side of the screen that you will find between Autofill and Passwords and Performance. Once you tap on it, there you will see the option of Delete Browsing Data that deletes history, cookies, cache, and more. So tap on it. Now set the time range to all time and check the boxes for the cached image and files and cookies and other site data. Once you do that, tap on Delete Data that is highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. This will log out you of the Roblox, so make sure that you remember your password before doing this. You can also try disabling any Roblox related browser extensions. So disable or remove any extensions that are specifically for Roblox and refresh the Roblox page to see if the problem is fixed. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the Roblox avatar not loading. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.